Saudi Arabia is gearing up for a stronger economic surge, powered by booming oil prospects and strategic growth plans. The kingdom is not just resting on its laurels, it's actively seeking to redefine its economic landscape. But what's really behind this optimism? Let's dive in. The story is multifaceted, involving a blend of traditional strengths and innovative new ventures. At the heart of this growth is the kingdom's vast oil reserves. These reserves have been the backbone of Saudi Arabia's economy for decades, providing the financial muscle needed for ambitious projects. With global oil prices on the rise and increasing demand, Saudi Arabia is expanding production. This expansion is not just about pumping more oil, but also about optimizing the entire supply chain. The crown jewel, Saudi Aramco, is not just the world's largest oil company, but also a symbol of national wealth and power. But that's not all. Aramco is diversifying its portfolio, investing in petrochemicals and other high-value sectors. They're ramping up production quotas and leading the charge in the OPEC Plus alliance. This leadership role gives Saudi Arabia significant influence over global oil markets. This means more barrels, more revenue, and more influence on the global stage. The kingdom's strategic moves are designed to ensure long-term stability and growth. But here's the kicker. Saudi Arabia isn't just relying on oil. The nation is keenly aware of the need to diversify its economic base. Vision 2030 is this ambitious, forward-thinking plan to diversify the economy. It's a blueprint for a future where oil is just one of many revenue streams. Think investments in technology, tourism, renewable energy, and entertainment. These sectors are being developed to create a more balanced and resilient economy. We're talking about futuristic cities like Neom, sprawling solar farms, and a booming tech startup scene. Neom, in particular, is envisioned as a hub for innovation and sustainability. This bold plan is turning deserts into tech hubs and transforming cities into global destinations. The aim is to attract talent and investment from around the world, and the reach extends far beyond their borders. Saudi Arabia is making strategic investments worldwide, creating a network of economic partnerships. Saudi Arabia is making strategic investments worldwide. From infrastructure projects in Asia to green energy partnerships in Europe, the kingdom is positioning itself as a key global player beyond oil. From infrastructure projects in Asia to green energy partnerships in Europe, the kingdom is positioning itself as a key global player beyond oil. These investments are designed to create new revenue streams and reduce dependency on oil. Picture this. Massive shipping ports buzzing with activity and maps showing trade routes crisscrossing the globe. These trade routes are vital for the flow of goods and services, enhancing Saudi Arabia's economic influence. It's all part of a grand strategy to diversify and strengthen their economic influence. The kingdom is leveraging its strategic location to become a global logistics hub. But it's not all smooth sailing. The world's shift toward clean energy means Saudi Arabia must innovate fast. The kingdom is aware of the challenges and is taking proactive steps to address them. The world's shift toward clean energy means Saudi Arabia must innovate fast. They're facing climate challenges, and the stock markets can be a roller coaster. The volatility in oil prices adds another layer of complexity. They're facing climate challenges, and the stock markets can be a roller coaster. Yet, with strong leadership and ongoing reforms, the outlook remains bullish for sustained growth and transformation. Yet, with strong leadership and ongoing reforms, the outlook remains bullish for sustained growth and transformation. The government is committed to creating a more sustainable and diversified economy. New renewable energy plants are coming online, and the Jafurah shale gas field is gearing up for operations. These initiatives are crucial for reducing the kingdom's carbon footprint. These steps are critical for reducing crude oil consumption for power and embracing a greener future. The focus is on creating a balanced energy mix that includes renewables and natural gas. Saudi Arabia's story is one of ambition, resilience, and transformation. The kingdom is not just adapting to change, it's driving it. Stay tuned as we follow this fascinating journey. The future of Saudi Arabia is being written today, and it promises to be an exciting chapter in global economic history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more global economic insights. Your support helps us bring you the latest updates and in-depth analyses.